Welcome to Step the World of Digitizings.com. We create visions into perfectly digitized realities. Digitizings.com offers the best online custom embroidery, digitizing, and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit or debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizings.com or visit the website digitizings.com. Now let's gain knowledge about Elna versus Tajima embroidery machine, which is right for you. Embroidery has become a cornerstone of creativity, allowing individuals and businesses to bring designs to life with precision and flair. Choosing the right embroidery machine can significantly impact the quality of your work, efficiency, and overall satisfaction. Two of the most recognized names in the embroidery world are Elna and Tajima, but how do they stack up against each other? Let's dive into the key aspects that set them apart to help you make the best choice for your needs. Brand overview. Elna. Known for its user-friendly design and versatility, Elna specializes in crafting machines suitable for beginners and home-based professionals. Their embroidery machines are compact, easy to operate, and offer a range of features ideal for personal and small-scale projects. Tajima. A heavyweight in the commercial embroidery industry, Tajima machines are synonymous with durability, speed, and precision. Designed for high-volume production, Tajima offers advanced features that cater to professional embroiderers and businesses looking for industrial-grade solutions. Performance and features. Elna, ease of use. Elna embroidery machines are designed with simplicity in mind, featuring intuitive touchscreens and straightforward controls. Built-in designs. Many Elna models come preloaded with hundreds of embroidery patterns, making it easy to get started. Portability. Lightweight and compact Elna machines are perfect for home use or transport between locations. Affordability. Elna offers a budget-friendly entry point into embroidery without compromising quality. Tajima industrial strength. Tajima machines are built for endurance, capable of running for long hours without overheating. High stitch quality. With advanced stitch calibration and precision engineering, Tajima excels in producing intricate designs. Multi-needle capabilities. Tajima models often feature multiple needles, allowing for seamless color transitions and faster production. Customization. Tajima machines support a wide array of fabrics and materials, making them a go-to choice for diverse projects. Target audience. Elna, best suited for hobbyists, craft enthusiasts, and small businesses. If you're starting your embroidery journey or need a machine for occasional use, Elna offers a reliable and straightforward experience. Tajima, ideal for large-scale businesses, production houses, and experienced professionals. If you prioritize speed, volume, and advanced customization, Tajima is the ultimate choice. Cost considerations. Elna machines are generally more affordable, with models available for as little as a few $100s. In contrast, Tajima machines, due to their industrial nature and advanced features, require a more significant investment, often starting in the thousands. Conclusion: the choice between Elna and Tajima comes down to your specific needs, budget, and goals. Elna shines for its accessibility and affordability, making it perfect for personal use. Tajima, on the other hand, is a powerhouse for professionals seeking top-tier performance and scalability. Evaluate your requirements carefully and you'll find the right machine to take your embroidery to the next level. And if you're pondering for high-quality embroidery digitizing, Digitizings.com offers the best online custom embroidery, digitizing, and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit/debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizings.com or visit the website digitizings.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video.